Ainsley says, I think the world has aged many of us in the past few years. Oh yeah. The past 2 years of lockdowns and all this bullshit. Mental illness is on the rise, emotional illness is on the rise. Physical, I would say yeah, but I mean physical, 99.99% survival rate. I think the mental health is a bigger problem and emotional health is a bigger problem, because we have to sort of quote unquote stay indoors, get away from each other, avoid certain things, and these things are human contact, closeness, long conversations. You can't find, like, the attention span has gotten very, very small with TikTok and Reels and short form information. Like, it's very hard to find somebody that can listen to us in this day and age. Everyone is rushing everywhere, and that's why we lack the sense of being heard. We lack the sense of people listening to us with open ears, with fully open ears, because everyone is rushing. You know, there's lack for resources, there's inflation, scarcity, all this manufactured bullshit. But nature has no lack. Like, nature rushes nothing, and nature just listens. It's perpetual silence and just birds chirping, and like the wind can listen to you for days and days. When I go into the woods, like, all of this society bullshit just evaporates. And yeah, the world has aged many of us. That's why suicide rates are up, and you know, like, addictions, all these things, because we crave soul, we crave alignment and human to human contact and genuine eye contact and connection. So yeah, Kay is sending love.